Hello class 8, we were doing chapter area and now we'll do few examples of that. The parallel sides of a trapezium are 6 and 8 centimeter each. If its area is 35 centimeter square, find the height of the trapezium. So in the formula, area is given, sides are given and height is given. Any of the thing can be asked. Okay, so let's apply the formula. Half into sum of the parallel sides into height, and he has considered height as x. No need to do so, you can directly put h over here, and the area is 35. And now the calculation work is left, that you have to work. This is half, 6 and 8 14, so 2 7s are 14. 7x is equal to 35, x is equal to 35 upon 7, that is 5. So the height is 5 centimeter. Here the two parallel sides of a trapezium, again the cases of trapezium, are in the ratio. This time directly sides are not given, ratio is given, and the distance between them is 11. So suppose this is the trapezium and these are the parallel sides and this is the distance between them. So what is this? This is the height actually, and the area is also given to you. So find the lengths of the parallel sides. Again this time you will take sides as 5x and 7x. So half 5x plus 7x into 11, this will give you 12x. So 2 6 is 12, so 6 into 11, 66x is equal to 396, and then 396 divided by 66 will give you 6. Now this is the value of x, not side. Sides you will find. First is 5x, that is 5 into 6. Next is 7x, that is 7 into 6, 42 centimeter. Now let's do this example. In the adjoining geometrical figure, O is the center of the semicircle and ABEF is a square and BE is parallel to CD. And if you notice that this is a trapezium. If you notice this BCDE is a trapezium. So we have got three figures in this geometrical figure. One the semicircle, then square, and this trapezium, and we have to find the area. So this will be fine. How? You have to calculate the area of this, you have to calculate the area of square, you have to calculate the area of the trapezium. So semicircle is half pi r square and trapezium is your half sum of the parallel sides into height, and the square is side square. So what you can do is you can separately calculate. First the area of semicircle, radius is half of diameter, that is 14 by 2, that will become 7 square. Then square is side square, so 14 into 14, and then is the trapezium BCDE. So parallel sides are CD and BE, so BE is 14 and CD is 16. 14 plus 6 into height is 10. And after calculating the area separately, total area will be the sum of all these three. I hope this is clear. So these types of questions are very interesting. Now this you try yourself. Okay. If you have got any kind of problem or query, please feel free to ask. Thank you.